Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting spring video, we'll be unboxing some Supertunias that arrived in the mail today. So let's jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, before jumping right into this unboxing, I want to give a tremendous, huge thank you to Moya from Garden Addicts for providing these plants for me today. When she came to notice that I never tried a Supertunia in my gardening life because they don't provide them here, she said I must try them, and she was able to get me some for me to try out in my garden. So a huge shout out to Moya. Moya, if you're watching this video, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This is so kind of you for doing it, and you don't know how much this means to me personally. So all of her social media info is down below. Go give her a follow. Go show her some love because her gardening work is truly amazing. So let's jump right into this unboxing. So Ultimate Gardeners, I do know what Supertunias are in this box, but I'm not going to tell you yet. So let's go ahead and do into this unboxing. So I could already tell she purchased these on Ruminants Gardens and Greenhouses, which is amazing. So let me go ahead and open it up. And P.S. I just came back from work and they just told me that this arrived, so. I am so excited. Okay. There's one. There's two. Okay. So we have a couple of things. They have been in transit for a few days, so I will have to put a little bit of TLC behind them. So other than that, everything looks amazing. Yo, I am so happy. Okay. So if you're a huge Supertunia Proven Winners fan, you might take note that this is the Supertunia Picasso in Purple. I am so excited. They came in perfect shape, especially if they come from Michigan. That is crazy. Oh my Jesus. You don't know how excited I am to have these. They're so pretty. So here's one. There's three. Oh, I mean two. Is there not a tag on this? Probably tag fell down. Oh well, I already know what it is. Yeah. So seems to be the tag did fall on this one, which is completely fine. I already know what this one is. So those are the three Supertunia Picasso in Purple. So here they are. So now moving on to the next one. And the next one is the Supertunia Limoncello. So Ultimate Gardeners, here's all the Supertunias that we got today, which is the Supertunia Picasso in Purple and the Supertunia Limoncello. Both of my favorite Supertunias in the Proven Winner Supertunia line. I am so grateful that Moya was able to get these for me, and I am beyond grateful. So thank you, Moya, once again. And they packaged them very nicely, but a few things to point out. These Supertunias have been in transit for a couple of days now, so some of them do look a little bit tired and of course a little bit leggy. So a quick fix is that you can trim them back a little bit, give them water, give them fertilizer, and like Supertunias are so amazing, they will just jump right back up and they will give you a spectacular show. But if you receive a plant like this, you just have to water it in after shipment and then you should be good to go. I am so excited to put these in my garden. They're gonna be put in the greenhouse until I'm able to figure out where they're gonna be placed. But I am super grateful and so excited that I got my first batch of Supertunias. So once again, a huge shout out to Moya from Garden Addicts for actually providing these for me. I am so thankful to have her as my garden friend, and she is an amazing person. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.